How you can make your Wix website more responsive. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your Wix application. Now once you are in, you have to go on the edit side, and here's your site has been opened. Now here is the many options. To make it more responsive, you have to go on the add elements, and as you can see there are many type of elements like button, text, decorative, gallery, menu and anchor. First of all, you have to select the gallery element. There are many types of templates. You have to select any one. Once you select it, you have to simply add it on the header. Once you add it, you can also add the image or the title which you want to add, or also go from the settings. Here you have to simply adjust it. Once you add all of your elements or the templates, you have to simply go on the content manager, and here you can set up the content collections or also create hundreds of dynamic pages, or you can also collect info from site visitor. Once you're done with all of these, you have to simply click on the publish and save the changes. So this is how you can make Wix website more responsive.